Unfortunately, COVID has decreased our mainstay of volunteers.
The Great Smoky Mountains continue to draw massive crowds, but the COVID-19 pandemic is keeping away key volunteers throughout the park.
WBIR 10 News reporter Jim Matheny explains fewer volunteers means more problems in the Smokies.
We love it. We enjoy the mountains, the cool air.
Jim Madden retired years ago from the Memphis Police, but these days he and his wife Regina happily sign up for a summer of traffic duty in the Great Smoky Mountains.
You can't live in the park, but we can. By volunteering here, we live in the park. We're back on patrol up and down the mountain for accidents and other issues.
An issue for the park as COVID-19 has caused a shortage of volunteers. Like the Maddens, many are retirees, meaning they're older and at greater risk when it comes to the virus.
This year, because of the virus, we don't transport anyone in our vehicle. When we find a vehicle that's broke down, we still maintain our distance from them.
Volunteers also do a lot of the dirty work that protects wildlife.
Keeping bears pushed back off roads, making sure people are picking up trash. So they're a mainstay for us. They really are boots on the ground.
Biologist Ryan Williamson says this summer there's been a boom of people behaving badly with bears.
We've had a lot more reports of people feeding bears because we don't have volunteers out there patrolling areas. And without that resource, it stresses us out, it stresses the wildlife out, and we see those interactions.
And this is an especially bad time to hurt yourself on the trails. Volunteers play a big part in rescuing injured hikers.
We had 2 rescues going at the same time last week and having a hard time getting enough volunteers to come to do carry-out.
The bottom line, fewer volunteers means more problems in the Smokies. And although they're short-handed, the Maddens say they're happy they can help in a place as cool as the Smokies.
We love the mountains. We love it out here.
In the Great Smoky Mountains, Jim Matheny, WBIR 10 News.
To help volunteers keep a safe social distance, the national park gives them these lanyards that tell visitors we need 6 feet.